Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick color. First, ensure your brick surface is completely clean and free of dirt or debris. This crucial step guarantees the color adheres properly and evenly. Next, gather all your supplies, including your chosen brick stain, brushes, rollers, and safety equipment like gloves and eye protection. Always perform a small test patch in an unseen spot to confirm the color matches your vision before applying it broadly. Now, let's talk about mixing your brick stain. Always begin by carefully reading the manufacturer's instructions, as specific products may have unique requirements. Generally, you will dilute the stain with water. A common ratio is 1 part stain to 1 or 2 parts water, depending on the desired intensity. Use a stirring stick to mix the solution thoroughly for at least 2 minutes, ensuring a perfectly consistent color throughout the entire batch. With your stain mixed, it's time for application. Use a brush for mortar lines and detailed areas and a roller for larger brick surfaces. Work in small, manageable sections, ensuring even coverage and avoiding any drips or streaks. For a natural look, apply the stain thinly. If you desire a deeper, more saturated color, allow the first coat to dry completely, which usually takes about 4 hours before applying a second light coat. Finally, let's discuss curing and protecting your newly colored brick. It's essential to allow the stain to cure completely, which typically takes anywhere from 24 to 72 hours, depending on humidity and temperature. During this time, protect the surface from heavy rain or excessive moisture. For enhanced durability and to safeguard against future fading, consider applying a high-quality clear sealant after the curing process is fully complete, ensuring your brick color lasts for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.